Today we're traveling to my grandmother's home country of Lebanon for my Burritos from Around the World series. Lebanese food is some of the healthiest and most delicious food you can eat, and today I'm taking the national dish of Lebanon, kibbeh, and giving it a healthy and modern twist by turning it into a handheld vegetarian wrap. Vegetarian or not, you're gonna love this recipe. It's spicy and flavorful, and you can take it with you to parks or picnics or my favorite place, the beach. Let's get started. There's a little bit of preparation for this recipe, so I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and soak my bulgur wheat and chop up the vegetables I'm gonna be using. We're gonna take about 3/4 cup of medium grain bulgur and soak it in a cup of warm water. The sauce for this sandwich is gonna be a delicious cucumber yogurt sauce that I'm gonna mix up. But if you don't want to make up your own cucumber yogurt sauce, you can always use a pre-made vegan tzatziki sauce. Trader Joe's has a really nice one. To make our delicious cucumber yogurt sauce, we're going to peel and chop half of a regular sized cucumber. Make sure you chop the cucumber into tiny pieces. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of vegan yogurt. Make sure you use unsweetened, unflavored vegan yogurt. Add in 1 teaspoon of lemon and mix it together really well. Finally, we're going to chop up 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh mint and mix that into our delicious cucumber yogurt sauce. Our yogurt sauce is made, our bulgur's been soaking, so we're going to mix up our kibbeh. For this version of kibbeh, I'm going to use Impossible meat. I'm so thankful for Impossible meat because it made it possible to make all my favorite Lebanese recipes that involve lamb meat. I can make them healthier, low cholesterol, and cruelty-free. So I'm so thankful for Impossible meat. Put your Impossible meat into a bowl, add in about 3/4 cup of pretty finely diced yellow onion, then add in about a 1/2 cup of finely diced parsley, and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of Lebanese allspice. Make sure you use a good quality allspice. I get mine at the Arabic market. I'll put a link to where you can order some in the description below. Bulgur wheat is used in a lot of Lebanese recipes. The way you use it is you soak it so that it puffs up, you drain it, and then you squeeze the water out with your hands before you add it to your recipe. We're gonna add in our bulgur wheat to our Impossible meat mixture, and this is important, we're going to mix it together with our hands. Mixing it with our hands ensures everything gets uniformly mixed. I started by adding about 3/4 cup of soaked bulgur, and then I'm going to add in about a 1/2 cup more because that's the consistency I wanted. So all told, it's about a cup to a cup and a quarter of soaked bulgur wheat. Traditionally, this type of kibbeh is fried, but I always try to make things just a little bit healthier, and it tastes just as good baked. So we're gonna line a baking tray with parchment paper. It just makes cleanup easier, and we're gonna roll our kibbeh out into about 2-inch size pucks. Put your kibbeh in the oven and let it bake for about 20 minutes. You can flip it once about halfway through if you want. Once our kibbeh is baked up, I will show you how to turn this into the most delicious handheld wrap. Remember, if you find value in this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. If you're looking for more Lebanese recipes, I have a whole playlist. And if you're looking for the full written recipe, you can always find that and other helpful links in the description below. Oh, that smells so good. We're gonna start with a piece of lavash bread because this is a Middle Eastern recipe, but you can always use a tortilla. Lay down a bed of greens. I'm using spinach today because I had some beautiful spinach on hand, but I'll also use lettuce sometimes. Put down 3 or 4 of your delicious kibbeh pucks. Top that with some delicious diced tomato. I like to use cherry or grape tomatoes because they're sweet. And finally, drizzle your yogurt cucumber sauce on top. Don't overdo it. The sauce is just a garnish. Roll her up nice and carefully and cut it in half. There you have your beautiful burritos from around the world. This is representing Lebanon. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen. You're farting. Who's farting?
It's me.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.